Right, good morning, guys. Good morning, good morning, good morning. What's happening, guys? It's a lag. It's it means like cool. It means like cool. It's a, yeah, it's like a good, it's nice, it's cool, that sort of vibe. Gino, good morning. Annette, Charles, Cole. What's happening, guys? Are we good? YouTube, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Mark Pillay, Chad, Alex, Elaine, Nicodemus, Isetu. yeah. Lack equals proper power. Yeah. It's just good. It's like a South African word for like. It's really good. So you can. Yeah, that would be better than the other word Darren taught you, for sure.
How is it even Darren taught me that?
Who is it?
I don't remember.
It was Charles. Okay, boys, let's get straight in the charts. Let's see what's happening on this fine morning. Right here, boys, let's have a look at that daily. Daily starting to trade beneath the level. Don't worry about this candle right here, just because that isn't actually how it closed. I was just misprinted data. If we go to Oanda, we can see that it is trading above QP level 2500. Let me just pop that there because I see on this chart I don't have it. Obviously because I don't use this chart, but I just want to use this as a reference for you guys. Can you see that? Candle closed above. Yesterday, pretty much peeping below, but nothing too crazy. Personally, I feel like we're gonna sit until NFP. MFX members, check this out. So this is what we're doing for NFP. Let me type it in the Zoom for you guys so you can see this. So NFP, this is what I'm doing. So sat down last night, checked out some fundamental data, and this is what I'm anticipating for Friday's NFP. Okay, I'm gonna pop it on Telegram as well, and what we'll do is we'll use that. Let me just check this. I'm gonna pop that on your Telegram as well, guys. You must take your negativity and then go dive in the ocean. That's what you must get into. We don't have time for negativity here. We don't have time for that. Okay. Boys, girls, gold trading beneath the level 2500. Just remember what I said yesterday, where we are in an overall range from this liquidity zone right here, right? Price has pushed out. There's obviously an uptrend happening right now. However, we could possibly see price tap into liquidity over here before price longs. However, the way the candle is open today with that minor top wick, creating that bottom wick, pretty much breaking the lows of yesterday, I'm going to anticipate that a flip of the high, we can look to long the position to those highs in continuation to actually come back to resistance. And all that price will then be doing is literally just following this current uptrend at the moment. Not that we use that sort of idea, but you guys understand what I'm trying to say, right? And then on the contrary, on that daily, if we continue breaking those... Who's drawing on my screen, bro? Who's drawing on my screen? Edward? Are you drawing on my screen, bro? Oh, let me get this off. Don't draw my screen. Imagine Imagine you in school and then you just run up to your teacher's board and just go draw it. Crazy, bro. Crazy. I'm only playing, bro. Cool. Look, price trading beneath the level 2500. Honestly, bro, if we can re-break the lows, guys, I want to anticipate price to come down, which is going to be that overall outfit for something like this. So you have, let's say this is that resistance right now, right? You have price trading at this level for something like that. It eventually breaks out and goes and sits like that. Has it actually retested this level? Not really. Yes, there was a wick that maybe tested it once, but is that enough? That's the question. So with price forming a support level there, if we're going to start trading beneath it on that daily, I would anticipate something like that to come grab liquidity before it pops off. If that is the case, it could also obviously do something like that. But that's the idea that I'm currently seeing on gold right now. So my idea is going to be pretty much to see for that today. As you can see, we're pretty much sitting at that support that I've just mentioned without giving a solid retest of that area. So I can draw it out and you can see this is what I was illustrating over there. Price then broke out. It's now sitting there. Has it really retested this level here? Not really. It's tested it once, but has it really retested? No. So like I mentioned yesterday, there is a probability that you come down to the level 24.75 before price pops off or actually continues further down. So that is something that I'm going to look at on this fine Tuesday morning. Obviously, if we sustain these levels and we start breaking current daily high and previous daily high, obviously it'll just continue into that micro range that we are seeing at the moment, in opposed to trading the larger macro range. Okay, that's what I'm seeing on the daily. So first and foremost, guys, I'm going to go ahead and mark in the current daily low, current daily high, and see if price penetrates either of these levels today. Why did I? My bad. Why did I select buy stuff? 4 hour. Let's see. 4 hour structure. Still the same. So bullish. 4 hour. Bullish daily. 30-minute will just assist now. But 30-minute, like I've mentioned, is going to stay bullish in this entire range until it actually breaks these lows down here. So overall on gold, you're bullish, boys. Coming back to the 4 hour, let's get our zones out and let's see what is tradable this morning for me. So here's going to be my 4 hour current demand level. Current 4 hour supply. So this is the zone. It's going to be my longs up there, my shorts down here. Let's see if there's anything in between on that 30-minute, you know, that we can possibly get involved in. Morning, Divan. Hope you're doing good, brother. Gino, I am Tosh. Maggie, Lebo. Good morning. Two things I want to just see with this resistance point. How large are these candles here? And how large is this area? So, off that highs, you're looking at about 23 pips. So what I want to actually do is see this as price grabbing liquidity, and I'm going to use that to my advantage by more so putting my 4 hour zones like that and using this to my advantage if price trades above, because I can use it as pretty much a price area full. You with me? 30-minute, I will just tweak there. Personally, boys, I don't want to trade into that. I'm not gonna lie, it's very, very choppy. So what I want to do is I will slot in my zone right here. That's my current daily high point. Is this an area that I want to risk my capital on? No. Okay. So this is going to be a no trade range for me. It's also right at that quarter pip. Okay. So as you can see with the structure right now, yes, we are overall bullish, but the current microstructure is bearish. You can see it. Price is putting lower lows and lower highs in the structure. So if price taps now into quarter pip, I will look for sells from that point. If it rejects this point, I won't take sells immediately off of this level. However, I'll wait for price to break, retest, and look for shorts. And on the contrary, if she starts to drive up and up, I will look for buys above that point. So this whole area here for me at the moment is going to be a no trade range unless I can get something like this that pops in, holds resistance, and re-breaks. Then I will look for sells over there. But still, it's a no trade range. This tradable, no trade range, tradable, tradable. This will only be tradable if it taps into resistance, breaks and retests. Do you guys understand that? But as of right now, I can't just sell it there. You with me? Okay, so let me get that out again. This will be aggressive shorts, but there's conditions to it, so pay attention to the conditions. I can't just sell it now. However, if it leaves the area and goes into deeper liquidity, which is quarter pip, then comes back down, then I can sell it. Then we have that sort of setup. Right now though, I can't sell it. Why? Because we are overall bullish. It is too choppy over here, and also at the same time, has it grabbed enough liquidity to continue driving down? No, I can't. The thing about the way I trade, guys, if we have something like this, if we have something that pushes and breaks out, I can't just start buying because it's coming down. You see what I'm saying? There's rules to those type 2s that we look at. Okay, so it's not just about price retesting and we start buying there. That's not gonna make sense. What is preventing price from not just dropping? You with me? That's why I don't do the break and retest the conventional way that you'll see everywhere else. Okay, there's rules to it. Okay, and that is obviously within my type 2 criteria of my entry. So of this place, we want to see price reject that level and start giving us confirmations. Once you start getting confirmations off of that area, then we can maybe look at a position. Okay, however, the thing is there's no LTA to the downside, so it's going to be very tough in this week, this area that's filled with wicks. And then over here is going to be a no trade range. I'm going to slot it over there, but like I said, this is pretty much what we would like in order for the setup. If price closes above here, personally, I'm not going to take the buys. I don't want to buy into all that choppiness, as well as an area that is so close to QP. Now, I'm not saying the buys can't happen, because they definitely can, for sure. It's just not meeting my criteria, so I'm not going to execute on that. Okay? And then also up here, we've got safe buys. Reason being, we are overall bullish, guys. If we're going to break a 4-hour resistance, I'm going to anticipate that we can continue that bullish momentum. So I feel like today is also one of the straightforward days. It's just we are at a point where there is a lot of wicks. There is a lot of consolidation. I do also firmly believe that this is leading up to that NFP release on Friday. So this is something that we need to pay attention to. However, we know what we're doing this morning. Sells over there. Sells over here. This is my no trade range. There's my safe buys up there. I feel like it's relatively straightforward, boys. So drop a W in the chat if you understand. Hit that like button on YouTube. Hit the subscribe button. And I see we actually gained a couple subs yesterday. I think we're just sitting over 1.3 at the moment. Where's this? Yeah, where's we? On the way to 1,500 subs on YouTube. So if you aren't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Share the stream on your socials. Tag MFX, we'll repost it. But yeah, boys, this is my outlook on gold. Where is this thing? Let's go have a look at GBP, JPY. Let's see what's happening. There's so much power in these Mariposa candles in liquidity. If you've noticed how I use them as reversals, GG's. Obviously it's in the MFX course, but for those that maybe aren't in MFX and then maybe pay attention on YouTube and you're starting to notice how I use Mariposa candles as reversals, GG's to you, because we can let you see that happening on GJ at the moment. I'm going to anticipate price to come down to retest the level of 191, 134. That is that level of liquidity as we are overall bearish on GJ. Now starting to make the low, pop up, grab liquidity. Honestly, if we're going to re-break the lows in a liquidity area like that, we should tank down to the level of 190. Okay, that is something I'm going to look for immediately. Okay, current daily closing outside, sorry, yesterday's daily closing outside the level 192,500. Immediately today we've failed to surpass the highs, now breaking the bodies. Question, is this a retest of this zone, or can she, well, pop off, or can she start trading beneath and start driving down? That's why I just mentioned now actually on gold, that it's so important to understand that if price action does this, right, and it breaks out, just because it's coming down does not mean you must buy. You with me? So in this case, guys, honestly, if we're gonna re-break the yesterday's low as well as the current daily low, I'm going to anticipate price to come down to the level of 190, and then this could be possibly something like that. So there's something definitely to keep an eye out for on GJ. That's actually very nice to see. First and foremost, gonna mark in that current daily low, not too phased with the high at the moment, obviously because we've retraced so far into yesterday's data. So slotting in the current daily low right over there. Second. And then a re-break of the current low would obviously make me want to get short on the position further on that 4 hour. If we look to the left hand side, we're actually trading beneath the 4 hour resistance at the moment. We're like just borderline on that bodies at the moment, guys. I'm going to use it to my advantage. If I can start closing beneath 111,916, that's going to be an easy target to trade the range. As you can see on the left hand side, we have a range, okay? Which means that, okay, let me do like this so you guys can see it better. I actually really like this. But if you look where I just marked out now, you can clearly see there's a range, alright? Let's do it in green. So essentially what's happening at the moment is we're coming back into that range, boys. So if price can hold beneath this level, obviously a 4 hour closure would be better, but obviously on the 30 minute, if I can get that solid setup, it can lead into that. So we can start getting price closing beneath these areas here. What are we then doing? This was then price just grabbing liquidity, putting back down to retest, hold resistance, and then drop down. That would be absolutely stunning. That's what I'd like to see on GJ this morning. Obviously, if it rejects this area and pops back up and I have the confirmations, I can go long. But at the moment, the way it's printing, boys, I'm pretty keen on these shorts, I'm not going to lie. Let's see how that 30 looks. $30-minute level right here. You can see it, right? I'll just drag this across so you can see it. If I pop this line over there, can you see how previously it used it as support resistance? Can you see that? Again, support resistance, can you see that? Again, support resistance, can you see that? Which means that if I can start trading beneath this level, I'm going to look for shorts and use the support as a new formed resistance. You guys see that? And then on the contrary, boys, if we start rejecting these current daily lows, I won't just buy it there. Remember what I just explained to you? Okay? We start looking for price to get above, retest, and then go. Okay? Gold about to rip. Did you miss the explanation? There's this. So, for me personally, this is going to be the play on GG this morning. At the moment, this is going to be my no trade range. Over here, I've safe sells right there because it's with that structure, and then obviously over here, I've got the aggressive buys trying to take price back up after we've already seen so much data to the downside. I actually really like GJ sells. If you can start trading beneath this level of 191,364, not the cleanest LTA, but it's good enough for me to trade it down to QP level 190, or even just to get back down to 1905, let's say 190600. Okay, around that area. I feel like it looks good. Looks good. Obviously, I just have to wait for either of the price areas. Relatively straightforward today, boys. Literally just have 2 zones. Okay, 3 zones. 4 hour area and my 30-minute area right here. Just slot that in blue so I know it's 30. And the play is going to be easy for me today. Closure beneath here, short, closure above, buys. No trade range. Easy. Gold, like I said, I'm not phased with this area at all, to be honest with you. I'm also going to use that price coming to grab liquidity and starting to reject, and then I can do it. But other than that, this is pretty much my idea on both pairs. Put a W in the chat if you understand. If you don't, obviously ask questions. Any questions you have, you can let me know. Guys in Zoom, are we good? Also, for those that have finished their course on Zoom, send me a DM. Well, send me a personal message. You have my phone number on Telegram. Send me a message. Let's hook you up with a one-on-one this week. Hey Zeus, I'm seeing straight after session today. Keegan, I'm seeing tomorrow morning. Yeah, if anybody else needs one-on-ones, let me know. But get through that course. The what? Tomorrow morning. Sushi for breakfast, is where is this? MFX members from PE, put a 1 in the chat. MFX members from PE, put a 1 in the chat. Okay, perfect. I'm gonna give you guys dates by tomorrow, either this coming Saturday or the following Saturday. We'll do a MFX breakfast on me, just a little short morning MFX breakfast meetup. Cole, you from New Zealand, brother? You can come down if you want to. I'll let you know by tomorrow. It's either gonna be this Saturday or the following or next week Saturday. You can come if you want to come down to P. You can come down to P. It's gonna be like a MFX breakfast meetup. Charles, you can fly. You can fly as well. Nah. Nah. Okay, we know what the plan is. Let's see what's in store this month. Nulls and D. So we can join. Yeah, if you want to come down for that, you can come down for that. No problem. Nulls and Darren, just send me either personal message or drop it in the. Actually, you can drop it in the MFX Zoom. How are you guys doing on those challenges? Where's the percentage at? Okay, that is London Open right there, boys. 9 AM. I'm actually just gonna add an alert on GJ. And on gold, personally, I'm not facing the buys right now. There's no ways I'm buying into choppiness like this, as well as consolidation. Literally, there's the zone right there, and you got quarter pip right there, and you're in consolidation. So this can do this like poop. It can literally just do 100 pip move. I wouldn't be phased. because obviously we can see, you can see the type 4s, right? We can see it. But this is one of those you gotta sit in your hands, man. Laron, good morning, good morning. I am very well, man. Hope you're doing good too. Very well, can't complain. Yeah, no, it was. I mean, even that gold drop yesterday, it wasn't really anything. I feel like Marcus is chilling until NFP. I'm not gonna lie. I mean, yeah, it moved like what, like 79 pips from that QP level, but look how long it took. It literally took like what, the whole day. So I never like to say it because I don't believe that. But I'm just getting the feeling that we're chilling in consolidation areas until NFP. I feel like the dollar is waiting for their price data, economic data to be released, and then obviously when it's released, we'll get, you know, the flow for the rest of the month. I mean, we've got CPI come up as well and PPI as well. I think I will say it. I mean, I am obviously expecting some strength for the dollar. From that, you guys can pretty much make your own predictions for Friday. MFX members, you obviously know what I'm doing. I dropped it in the Telegram. So that being said, I mean, we can see how price was acting today, yesterday, and we can pretty much see how it's acting this morning. Okay, GJ rejecting liquidity right now. Overall bearish on the pair, so literally for me to get longs, I need to get above the level. What's that? 192040. Have to. Why was this gave YouTube direction wrong? Yeah, let's see who caught on to that one. Four hours looking quite nice on gold, but you can literally see, boys, how we've tapped into both these areas and rejected almost immediately. 2 4-hour indecision candles on both directions, showing me that this is a clear range right here. Obviously, I could use it to my advantage and look for the longs from this point, but which I would have. But the issue is that QP is right there, man. That is going to be my issue. Guys, I see, well, MFX members, I see Kellen Stradom just joined MFX. Welcome to the team, my brother. Let's just welcome him there in the Telegram, boys. I don't know if you're watching on YouTube, Callan. But first things first, you shall see. Yeah, boys, just show him some love, lacquer. Perfect. Perfect. There we go. There we go. There we go. You'll see in the main Millennial FX group, right? There's going to be a pinned message You're gonna click on that message, it's gonna take you to a file. That is the order I want you to watch the course videos in. Once you're done watching those videos, then you go to the website and then you watch the advanced videos and the boot camps. Once you're done that, send me a message. Let's set you up with a one-on-one and start doing one-on-one mentorship with you. Welcome to the team, brother. I don't know if are you watching on YouTube? If you are, there's a link for this morning's Zoom. You can just click on that and you can join the Zoom. See, so we can see it now, like with gold closing above. Has it grabbed liquidity? Not yet. It immediately went straight. So you know what I'm gonna do right now? This is gonna be the idea. We're tapping into liquidity right there, right? Yes, we haven't tapped directly onto quarter, but we're tapping into liquidity. If this candle is gonna start rejecting now, guys, and start closing back beneath here, I will look for sells down. Okay? Yes, it is a bit choppy, but can you understand the concept that's happening? You're overall bullish on the pair. Okay? Price then pops up to liquidity, breaks previous highs, and now starting to sink. If we are to close back beneath that micro level that we just broke out of, with that microstructure being bearish, I will anticipate price to go down. That is the idea that I mentioned this morning. Now, the only difference is now we haven't tapped that deep into that quarter pip level, which is obviously current daily highs, but can you see liquidity to the left hand side? So it will make sense for me to then wait for price to get beneath, and then I look for shorts. So let's see. So obviously you want something like this on this current 30-minute candle, where you open up, made a top wick, now coming back down for a close for something like this, with your top wick like that, boom. The next one to tap in, grab liquidity, and then obviously you're looking for shorts, something like that. Stop up there, targeting current daily low. The idea like that, right? We've done this sort of setup many times. So essentially what it is, if you want to put it into a little bit of a different perspective, it's almost something like this. The price closes outside. Some people see it as a fake out. I don't see it as a fake out. I see it more as a price grab liquidity, because we can let you see. For me, I need to always know why price is acting a certain way, why it's testing levels, what it's doing. So I never just use the excuse, it's a fake out. If we look where price rejected 25.06, we can let you see a tap into liquidity. Can you see that? If I drag liquidity right now, boom, that's where it tapped into. It wasn't just a fake out, it was a grab of liquidity, right? It's almost the same thing now with what price is doing right now. It's not just a fake out, it's price grabbing liquidity. Can you see it there? Okay, so if price is going to close beneath again, I'm going to get involved and I'm going to sell it. So that can be, that would be great. A 15-minute engulfing bearish, closing beneath it, tapping and drive on that 5 minutes, some sort of sizzle for resistance. That would be really cool. But you are still trading above the level, so it's not set in stone yet. Let's still see, because it can let you still tap into liquidity, grab it, re-break highs and go. Okay, it can still do it. You are overall bullish on the macro. So how far deep are we going to go to test these deeper liquidities? We don't know. That's why the way I'm seeing that microstructure right now, I'm going to use to my advantage in taking those shorts. Okay. .15-minute closure coming up shortly. what is GJ doing? Rumbling off of that current daily low, engulfing that previous 30. You might see some sort of type 3 happening here as well. Because remember, you are all bearish on this pair. 15 close coming in 3 minutes. Not to phase with the 15 to be honest. As long as the 15 can form like a resistance and the 30-minute can close beneath, then we are a-okay. But if this 30 goes in and obviously re-breaks highs, it's not going to be a trade that I want to take. It's going to be very aggressive for those that do take it. Not to say it's not going to work out. It can definitely work out, but it is going to be an aggressive move just because of all those confluences that I just mentioned. Anatomy is still there though. 15 and 30, the bullish anatomy is still there. It hasn't broken previous 15 lows. Intersected bodies, but not really lows that were broken. Also, good morning. Milo, do you think Don disappeared for life? Not that I'm fazed by him, just curious after he was a big fish. Yo, my brother, I don't know. I really don't know. I don't know what's happening there, but I saw Gino shit something this morning. Let's check. Holy moly. Is this what he did? Oh. Oops. How do I zoom in? There's no way I can just zoom in on this. So this was, is this the 300 trades he placed? That is mal. Yeah, dude, the thing is, it just doesn't make sense though. Like, right, like I can't, like for me personally, I can't make sense of it because the thing is, it's not like you can't trade. So it's almost like it was, but I also feel like wasn't that a robot trading?
Some people are speculating.
Because my thing is, he could trade. Well, he can trade. He just obviously has crazy negative aura. Like, I know I have negative aura, but that dude has like negative aura. Nah, it's crazy. So for me, like, I don't know, my man. I can't see him doing that. But it's on the internet. You also can't. I don't know. I actually don't know. I'm surprised. I'm not too phased with what other people do, but I was literally when I mentioned this, I was like, what? It just didn't make sense. 300 trades in one day to blow $1 million. It just didn't make sense. Okay, 15-minute close. There is resistance. 30 still open. Let's see what's gonna crack a lack over this. I would love this 15 to close bearish beneath. Now that's gonna be a 30 close as well. However, it's setting up. I'm not gonna lie. It's setting up proper for the buys because literally the re-break of the highs, you wouldn't need to have your retest. You wouldn't need to have your confirmation candle. You can take it off the break of the previous 15 highs. The issue for me is the current daily high, not the current daily high, the quarter pip is right there. So if this sort of setup, just get an idea, because we've done this many times, if this sort of setup was at a different area on the chart, I would have taken the longs, for sure. Confirmation above, retest, ground liquidity, bearish candle, right? Candle then rebreaks high, you buy it, right there, you buy it. Stop loss beneath that low or that low, doesn't matter. However, for me, because of where it is at that quarter pip, I'm not going to do it. Jesus is nuggets you.
Yeah,
Oh, I got you. I was just trying to put names together. I can't remember. I think that's how I met you on YouTube, was nuggets.
yeah, well.
30-minute also. Yeah, so see, I would see, it's like around that level there. That's where I would buy, but I'm not gonna because it's in the zone that I don't want to trade. I'm also this see a spike grabbing good to drop. Hey Miles, where would your next possible buy setup be on gold if we're breaking close above QP? No, let's do choppy for me. So for me, my next buy setup, brother, is going to be around the level 25.04, around that area. I don't want to trade in this range, as I mentioned in the beginning of stream. Not to say it can't go up, but it's not what I will trade. Is it type 1? No. No, not type 1. Not type 1. You see, like, if that QB wasn't there, we would be taking this trade soon, but I'm not gonna do it, boys. Not gonna break my rules. Yep. I'm glad you're noticing that, brother. That's good. I think we did 2. Yeah, yeah.
But what do you call this?
This is period structure. This is type 4. This is a type 4, yeah. This is a bit more like an advanced type 4. But it's still type 4, because look on the 30. Closure above, retest, break of the highs, it's type 4. So yeah, the setup would be like this. That. Stop loss there. Targeting obviously your first position, which is 10. It just happens to be at the quarter pip. And then your overall TP there. So, as I mentioned, guys, the setup can work, for sure. The bias can definitely happen. But it's not what I want. Not in this area. You would have hit TP already. But discipline for me is the most important thing. Yeah, that would, yeah, for sure, definitely type 4, yeah. Zama is in, believe it or not. Zama, did you take that? Blackberry. He won't answer because he's closing profits. Probably. You know Zama, you're asking me, he's in already, he's already like 50 puffs up. Did you take that? Really?
I was in before that.
you see what I mean? Where was your entry? Duro was nice blitz one as well. Exactly. Very adamant about what I want. It did, bro. I'm not gonna lie.
I was like, this is what you tell it. Drop your spot, so it could actually do also that.
100%, my brother.
Man, don't play now.
Nah, same. My thinking now is as we tap into liquidity, I want to see if we can reject that area and start coming back down. If not, I'll just wait for buys up there. But I'm not touching this pair in that. I'm good. And that quarter, no thanks. Can I change this playlist? Yo, bro, how do I stop these spam phone calls? I don't want to receive a free 10 Rand MTN voucher. Why must I do that? To set up I don't know, guys. I don't think we should be jumping to conclusions just yet. I don't know. Since I moved to FNB network, no more spam calls. Really? The FNB SIM card? Damn, bro, I get MTN spam like almost every day, and it's always around the same time. Like I know, like 8:30 and 9:30, someone's gonna call me, and it's gonna be like a spam nonsense. I don't know how they even got my number. So you are tapping into 4-hour candlestick bodies at the moment. Let's see how we trade off of this, boys. Literally, if it was a different area, it would have been much more easy to trade. But because it's at that quarter pip with that consolidation area, I can't grab it. It's not one for me. GJ's starting to pop off. GJ closure in the next 30 minutes. We might get a position here, boys. Look at this starting to drive right now, breaking their previous hourly high. Look here, Vince. You're boring. P. I don't think it's as big as like in America, but I would say there is individuals that will celebrate it, but it's just not. It's not like a big thing in South Africa. Well, that I know of. I never ever celebrated. Although in certain areas. Wait, can I mute YouTube for this? So it's kind of the same, you know. It's every day. They celebrate it every day.
I put baby and I put baby. I turn on.
Exactly that. My 11, bro. Guys, give me 2 minutes. I'll be back now. Okay, I'm back. Closure in about a minute. Let's see if GJ gives us what we want. So GJ, all I want, closure above the level, a tap in and a drive. I'll look to long this pair. Okay. Gold, obviously not tradable at the moment. But let's see if GJ can close above this level. Needs to close above the level. Seems like it's closing liquidity. Okay. Not enough for me yet. Not enough for me yet, boys. Who just said Takalani Sesame? We got a lack of pumpkins? Yeah. That as well. Okay, we're gonna have to wait a bit more on GJ. Still not enough yet because we could reject off this liquidity zone. But as you know, the more we wait, the more patient we are. The more information we have, because of the data that's provided, the better the setup. Ah, Jordan, what's happening, bro? Nundu Waco to you too, sir. I'm removing this as a no trade range now. Once again, because we're failing to close above the area, If this candle engulfs and closes beneath for something like this, I will be doing a sell. Tap in, grab liquidity, close, something like that. Right? It's going to be engulfing. Yes, we've got the support on the left hand side, but we'll be anticipating that it has rejected these buyers. We are literally just overflowing with structure to obviously drive down. And then our setup will come something like this, where the next candle will pop up, grab liquidity, and start driving down on that 15 minute. So we're going to need to wait for the next 11 minutes, 12 minutes. And then if we get something like that, your sells will be like this, stops above the high, targeting lows. Yeah. So at the moment, we're just adapting to what price is doing, boys. That's all we're doing. That's all we're doing. Gold is pushing. I want to get a alert over there. Whilst we wait on GJ. Other than that, everybody good? Fajolo, good morning. Hope you're doing lovely. Yeah, any questions, boys? You can guys let me know. It's still nice and early in London session, 9:30 my time. On YouTube, 55 viewers. From which country are you? Let's see. Where you guys from? Drop a comment in the chat. Where you guys from? While you're there, 55 viewers. Hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. If you don't know, we trade live on YouTube Monday to Thursday. Live with my London Monday to Friday. Dagu beta. The fuck? London massive. Sup, bro? Do you guys say sup in London as well? But welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, Koshkesh. Maldives. Nice. You guys trolling me with these names. Hello, Koshkesh. That's not a place, dog. You made me Google that shit. Bontiville in the house? What's happening, bro? Bontiville. My family's from Bishop Lavis. Not even lying. So we're like around the corner from you guys. South Africa? Welcome from South Africa.
Why did you see his arms so fast?
I don't know. I don't know. I must have from South Africa. Okay, GJ is looking promising. Just gotta wait for setup. Gold obviously seems like it has the volume, but just not in areas that I want. Durban in South Africa in Durban. Yes, sir. Welcome, welcome, welcome. And the rest of you, where you guys from? Man, you're not from South Africa. You wish. If you were from South Africa, you'd probably be like about 11. California, nice. One of our members is from there as well, I think. Gina, yeah, I think he's from LA, California. Yo, Gabetha. Spelling. Kelly. Very nice. So there are quite a few Americans in the house. Manila. So I feel like people are just putting words here. Oh, that's in Philippines, Manila. All right. Afghanistan. Okay. Wait, are you from Afghanistan? Can we all get a W, Jason, for reaching new heights in his training journey? Bro, Jason's not even here. That man made Klom Kroon and he disappeared. He disappeared.
He was like, man, all these sleep pills, I'm out.
Where am I from? I'm from South Africa. You don't know? I am from South Africa. Okay, boys, we doing what I want. 15 in golfing. Welcome to South Africa, our international family. You know the drill, guys. Like, share, and subscribe. Yes, sir. Hit that like button. Share it with your people. First time I see someone born in Jamaica, but he's from Maryland as well. So the setup I want might just happen here, boys. Something like this. Need that 15 confirmation though. And that we don't have a 5-minute floor as of yet, but the break of the 15 will be enough for me. Rejecting that 4-hour. If we look where it is, it's literally at the resistance, back down again. Price could not breach those levels. Can you see that? That's holding that area. I will anticipate that price can drive down if we can get that 15 engulfing, which we have. Closure beneath, next counter pop up, grab liquidity and start dripping down. Say more driving down, not a drip. A drip seems very slow. We don't want slow movements. Charles, put in a mic. Let Jesus hear what a Jamaican sounds like. Did you just say Dumelang? I think you'll die with laughter. You won't even focus, you'll just start laughing. Also, just one thing I wanna make sure of is that when I take this execution, boys, it's gonna be beneath that previous candle over there. I don't want that to be like a tap into the low and then it rejects off, you know. But I gotta wait to 3 minutes. Ah, missed that comments. What did that comment say? Something about thank you for sharing something. I don't know what it said. Pretty bored. Wait for me, GJ. Wait for me, bro. Oh, it's pushed too much. Damn. Trade's gone. I saw there's a brother looking for a signal for his group. Probably. GJ's gone, boys. It just pushed too much, man. Oh, yeah. Probably. Probably, Jordan. So the idea was there is just that she has pushed. The only way now is getting price to close, let's say around here. Around this area, right? Next candle to pop up and I take it on the flip of the candle in anticipation that it's going to fill that we can go down further. That's the only way I can get involved. So let's say we close like that, right? Next candle pops up, grabs liquidity. I'll take it at the flip in anticipation that it'll drive down. That's the only way I can get involved. I can't take it at the break of the lows. There's not enough space. So it'll be like a 34 pip stop. Okay, let's get ready, boys. I might get a move here. This opening candle in the next 30 seconds needs to go up first. If it doesn't go up, I can't take the position. Ten seconds, let's see. Why not wait for... Why not? Okay, there we go. Top wick first. Needs a top wick. Seven one six 716. Okay, perfect. Targeting current low, 10 pips will be TP1. The flip of this candle back bearish, I will go obviously short on the pair. That's going to be a 34 pip stop loss for a TP1 of 10. So just be there, boom. Okay. This is my plan, boys. We've got that 15-minute engulfing. We then are implementing an aggressive short after ejecting. Stops is going to be at the high. This is my plan for this morning. TP1 10, overall TP 25. This is perfect. The more it retests, the better, because that's then going to solidify me a 5-minute floor. So at the moment, it's a patience game. So that being said, with the way she's sitting up now, I'm going to personally press sell stops at 191717. I am personally placing sell stops at 191717 with a TP1 at 10 pips and an overall TP of 25.4. Just gonna try this one. And then obviously if it doesn't come to setup, I just won't be in the trade. Why not wait for the breakout and reaches a 30-minute demand? So you can do that. If remember guys, I don't tell anybody to take my trades. This is just what I do. And I just show you what I do live on stream. But my idea is getting in a bit more aggressive as we're already rejecting 4-hour highs. As you can see that. 15 engulfing. Retesting. The flip. I will get involved. So the idea behind the trade is type 3, but the execution is going to be type 4 because it's with my structure. German 30 looking good. You can send your analysis, I can check it out, brother. I don't trade that though. I would love a bullish 5 minute to solidify that support area, which means that if I get involved aggressively, it's going to be the break of that floor. We don't have a floor yet on the 5. Obviously, if she drops how she drops, but it would be nice to see a bullish 5 minute, and then when I get involved, it's the break of that floor. But any questions you guys can obviously let me know. Okay. I was gonna put pending buy stocks, but I think I might get activated here. Let's delete this thing. Very close to being activated here, boys. Very, very close. Very, very close. Very, very close. Bum, bum, ba-dum, bum, 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 bum. There's that 5 minute close that I want. So literally break the floor. I want to be in, man. Gold, bro. What about gold, my brother? Gold is a nice pair. I know that. It's very nice. So let's see here, boys. 5 minute floor has been formed. Now, we just literally need a break of that low, and I want to be in. I want to be in. If we can break that low right now, I want to be in. Let's see. There we go. I'm tapped in on gold. GBP JPY shorts right now. You see, I'm so used to taking gold trades. But tapped in on GJ shorts right now. Let's see what is the outcome here, guys. So we have that 15 engulfing. We took a bit more of an aggressive approach, obviously. I I just want to put that stop above this high. It's actually going to be like 2 pips. 35.5 pips. Because I don't want this candle to re-break its high. Obviously, if it does that, that's not a good sign. Which means that this was a deeper retracement requires to grab liquidity in order to drive. I don't want to be in that trade. Okay? So I've got stops there for 35 pips. This should literally just be grabbing liquidity from this area, which is here, in order to reject it and then continue further down. This should be another dub for me today, so let's see. But you see where I put my stop is at the break of the highs, because this 30-minute candle should not re-break its own highs. You see that? It should not. You are overall bearish on the pair. So this was a bit more of an aggressive approach this morning, just because we can see on that 4-hour how we have broken out, came back into that range in anticipation that it's going to hold that resistance to come further down. I then executed earlier, well, early as I've seen it's now holding resistance and once again closing Maribozu in liquidity. That is a sign of reversal for me, which it is obviously doing right now. Then I got that 15-minute engulfing closing beneath the previous 15. Next candle, all we want was a tap in, a grab liquidity, and at the flip I then execute. That's what I did. So let's see what the outcome is on this fine Tuesday morning. Stop loss above the high, targeting current daily lows. Obviously she can run further, but I'm fine with current daily lows, boys. TP1 obviously 10, and then overall TP for me, I'll close everything at current daily low, 25 pips. For those, well, you obviously can target further, but for me, that's the move I want. Range high to range low on that micro. That's all I want. 5 minute then went and formed a floor. Perfect. Now it's breaking that floor. It should drop. Hey Miles, how much do you close at TP1? Between 50 and 80%, my brother. Today's gonna be one of those days again where I'm closing 80% at TP1. There is no management on this position that I can do. If I lose, it's going to be a full stop loss. There's no like management points along the way. No, I'm not. It's Jordan. You spill with me. We just need to break that previous 15. Once we can break that, we should be good, boys. And then once I can break that 15, then obviously I could manage it, but I still don't think I will until I hit that TP1. You know, it'd be really nice if this pair drops so hard, so fast that we can't even close at TP1 in time and we close full at TP2. That'd be great, right? I love those days. It just goes in your favor so much. Like you can't even secure that TP1. You gotta secure even further in profits. Okay, boys, that's TP1 hit stops to break even. Thank you, sir. That's another one for me. Easy like Sunday morning. Thank you. Drop a dub in the chat if you caught that dub. Drop a dub in the chat if you learned this morning. Let's see what's happening. What's happening? First trade of the month. And you know what it is. Right on the money. Done for the day. Easy like Sunday morning. Lekker. Lekker, man. Nice, boys. Well done. Well done. Burns, Callan, Devin. Yeah. Let's get it, man. Let's get it. I love it. Yes, sir. Like a day, nice. You catching on. For those that had questions regarding me taking a bit more of an aggressive approach, entering a bit earlier, do you guys understand why I got in earlier and not wait for the demand area to break? Do you guys understand that? If you don't, join the MFX team. It's a learn and earn. Make money while you earn. I mean, learn while you earn. Everything is there. The course, the mentorship, everything from traders consistently as we do. You know it is. Let me add those dubs quickly. Here we go, baby. Come on. You know you want to do it, GJ. Pay me. Pay me in full. Come on, baby. Yo, Vince is a pupper and dipper now. Comes, makes money, then he leaves. How was that, boys? Like, good morning, eh? Let's go straight. So, cheers, brother. That's cool. Cheers, 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 cheers. What is that? 20. I'm gonna close everything. I'm out. I'm good. I'm out. 20 pips for the morning. I'm out. Thanks, boys. A beautiful 20 pip trade for me this morning. Caught live, bro. Charles, I will definitely do that now. Badam, badam, bam, badam, badam. Okay. What's the date? The 3rd of September. MFX members in Zoom. Whose birthday is next? Pair. Starting the month off with a GJ trade. Only took one GJ trade last month and we got 43 pips. 27th is yours. Now September. London. Are we getting presents? Maybe. You know, I call moves every day. With the money you guys are making, buy yourself a present. GJ sells. What time is it? Oh, 9:55. A 5-minute trade? Oh, 56. What time now? What time is position? Like a 4-minute, let's call it 3-minute trade. 20 pips. I won't complain. Why did 3 minutes feel so long though? Look, it's based off of the time frame of the 15-minute. However, you guys did see everything that I broke down, right? Charles, I'm gonna drop you this journal. You can just update it. Thinking about September. So 20 pips up for the month already. GG's boys. Trade is done. I'm happy. YouTube, MFX members in the Zoom, do you have any questions? It's gonna be an early day. We're done. It's 10 o'clock. You can go do whatever you want. You made your money. Got 20 pips in the bag. Easy. Simple. And you know what? We kept it so simple. As we do it every day, you keep the chart simple. There's literally this I won't even count that zone. There's literally 2 zones on my chart. Once again, I want to mention it again. Do you see the importance of understanding market structure, understanding candlestick anatomy? That is the crux of financial markets. If you understand that, you're already like 70% there, just by understanding that, implementing that into your strategy. Then understanding supply and demand. You don't need to overcomplicate your trading, boys. Keep it simple. Less is more. You don't need. I bumped into another brother yesterday. I said nothing. I'm like, what did I say? Oh, he was like, oh my goodness gracious. You said something? No, I said something, and he was like, oh no, but I'm more of an SMC trader. I'm thinking to my brah. And I asked him, are you profitable? He's like, yeah. But in his face, I could see he's speaking cuck. I could see he's not just saying so. It's not happening, dog. Not happening. Obviously, many people have different ways of trading, but daily, you see it. The simpler you keep your charts, the simpler you keep your trading, the easier it is. There was literally, oh my gosh, I got a brain fog. I was going through my Instagram reels, and there was these other dudes from Cape Town, like, you know, like how people not take the trade live in front of you, but on Instagram they'll say they just did this, so something like that. They were like, yo, no, I saw the 4-hour break, the fair value gap, and the SMC, and the bullish pennant, and the clump nonsense. And I was like, yo, guys, you people are trying to sound smart by using all these fancy words when it isn't bettering your trading. Keep your trading as simple as it is for dummies. You know that book? Something about dummies. You know that book? Trading for dummies, or driving a car for dummies, or whatever, that sort of idea. You keep it simple. Keep your trading simple. You focus on your market structure, candlestick anatomy. Obviously, you apply the MFX technique to it, and you shop. Even if you don't do that, you can literally involve market structure and candlestick anatomy and supply and demand in any other strategy of way of trading it. You're already almost there. Because I promise you now, this same way that markets move now, it happened in the past. Yes, we need to understand of market adaptation, all that stuff, but it happened in the past. Meaning, was all these weird concepts and algorithm and all that stuff there back in the 90s? No, it wasn't there. So why do we need it now in order to be profitable? We don't. Keep your chart simple. Simple. Gives you straightforward, easy results. Personally, for me, trading already has a lot of brain fog for a lot of people. So you never want to overcomplicate something that you need on a daily basis. I feel like it would be mentally draining. 2 areas on the chart, supply and demand, easy. Let me check that for you. You're right. 100%. 100% correct. GJ is a runner. She's a track star. For those that obviously maybe didn't take the move or want to get in on the move, whatever, closures beneath 191,342 as a type 4. Something like this. Closure beneath on the 30 minutes /15. You guys know what I'm trying to draw. Tap into grab liquidity and drive down to target resistance lows, because obviously you have a range on the left hand side. Boom. Resistance, support, price to get beneath it, retest, and a drive. Should be a range trade. Okay. Head and shoulders on the M15. Chart patterns, throw it in the bin. Let me tell you that now. Chart patterns, all these fib levels, all that nonsense. Gooi hom in die asblik. You don't need it. Okay, boys, I'm done. I'm gonna do a... Head and shoulders good for your head, not your chest. Yeah, guys. Cardle. Let's do it. When else have we done a cardle? Let's do a cardle and then I'm gonna call this session. I'm done.
Yo, Miles, can I ask you something?
Hey man, how are you? Good to hear your voice again, champion.
Hello, hoe gaat het?
Nou, nee, ek is right, chop my knees, you're right. Ja, nee, kief vir die lepel.
Ja, lekker hoor. Sê vir my, hey hoor, do you have any sports for one-on-one this week for full health?
For you, my friend, I are making space for you, champion.
Oh yeah, you just squeezed me.
Yeah, I know you can fit there, bro. Wait, let me check. Thursday. 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 Oh yes. Wouldn't know you saw. I wish I could squat that much. I might squat the earth. But anyway, I will send you a message. Wait, hold on. Okay, I'm just gonna send you a message after this. I'm just gonna check my schedule, see when the slot is open, and then I'll give it to you. But Thursday should be fine. I know Thursday I have a bit more openings, so we can do a one-on-one on Thursday. Hey Zeus, stay in the Zoom when everybody leaves. We're gonna do your session now. Keegan, don't be late tomorrow morning. And Finn, 6 p.m. tomorrow, I'm gonna have to let you know, my brother. Go. Right. What car is this? I don't know. Why is God only giving old cars, guys? I don't know. I'm not even gonna lie. I don't know what car this is. Oh. Isn't this... It's not a Hudson order day. I don't think so. I think the Hudson orders are more wider nose. I don't think it's Hudson. I'm like, oh, what is this? Oh, this is a Bugatti. Isn't this an old Bugatti? A Type 100? Type something. It's a Type something. Yes, this. Isn't it this? It's a Type something. Is it that? It looks like that. It looks like that, right? No, it's not. It's not. It's not. It's not. What is this? What is this? Does anybody know what car this is? I don't know what car this is. I'm not gonna lie. Ik weet die bro, ik weet die. GJ is absolutely melting. Melting. Thanks man, I'll try use the demand and supply method and 20 per trade. What you should try and do is join the MFX team, brother, and it will make your life a lot easier. A Passat. Oh, did I just exit the wrong? Hold on. A Passat. No. What? No. Oh. I've seen this car before. I just don't know what it is. It's not an MG. Today is not my day. I don't know what car this is. Not gonna lie, boys. I don't know what car it is. I'm gonna take the L on this car. I don't know what it is. Jaguar? Nah, can't say I know it. I thought it would be an MG, but I can't say I know this as Jaguar. So today I'll take the L on the car. I didn't know what car this was today, but it's all good. Tomorrow we'll hit TP on the card. We got TP in the money. That's fine. That's the main thing. We're good. Okay, guys, I'm gonna love and leave you. Thank you so much for your time. Today was another successful session. Whether we win or lose, it's always successful because obviously education is being dropped for you guys. But most importantly, hope you guys have learned from today's trade. If not, definitely go watch the YouTube video again. It'll be up in the next 30 minutes. And then, yeah, YouTube, I'll see you tomorrow. MFX members, I'll see you tomorrow as well. Jesus, stay in Zoom so we can do your one-on-one. Okay, cheers, boys. I'm out. God bless. Sharp, sharp. Journal. Okay, I'll send it now. Appreciate that.